Hello, this is Haisha from Pure 4. Today I am going to present my TSAL assignment part 1. In this video, I will explain my coding section by section to let you have a clear view of the function behind the coding. In the RStudio, I will use coding to extract and process relevant tweets about the select entity, which is Nike for my case, and then analyze how people felt about Nike. So chunk 1 is the preparation. Before we get tweets from Twitter, we need to be authenticated with them. So to execute the line, we need to press Ctrl plus Enter to run it. And this is the path I've set. These 3 lines is used to clean up the previous installed package. So for now, we don't need to run it. This is the installation of the necessary package. For chunk 2 is the library call. We need to press Ctrl and Enter to see whether the library has been installed. After done with the preparation, now we need to connect with the Twitter API. We have to key all the information that we have generated from the Twitter account. Consumer key, consumer secret, access token secret. When you see using direct authentication, means you are done and able to get tweets from Twitter now. Now move on to chunk 4, is to crawl for tweets. So for my case, I have chosen Nike. And I want to display 2000 tweets. And this part is to convert the result to data frame and write in CSV format. And I have named the file called Nike. And this 10 refers to that I want to retrieve the 10th tweets and the print out at the console part. And we also can use text mining functions to clean up the tweets for further analysis. And for this command is to remove punctuation and also convert to text to lowercase. And this command is to print out all the stop words. For example, she will, hasn't, let's. Since the stop words is not necessary, so we will remove it. And now we will regenerate word cloud. The bigger the words, the most frequent it appear inside the Twitter. So with the chunk 5, we will continue with the visualized tweets. In this part, we will be generate dendrogram. It is the tree-like structure to visualize corpus. And this command is to generate a term document matrix. Then generate a dendrogram and use hierarchical clustering to plot the dendrogram. And this 5 refers to the number of cluster I want to display. So for this case, I choose 5. And now continue with the chunk 6 is the sentiment analysis. It is the sentiment analysis. We will classify the tweets based on their emotions as well as polarity visualized using plots. And this part is to create a data frame containing tweets, emotions, polarity. And will be sort the data frame based on the frequency for emotions in ascending orders. And this part is to plot the emotions. In chunk 7, we will make use of a user-defined function to performance sentiment scoring. And for this command, it will compare each tweet against a collection of positive and negative words. It will add a count with each time matched. And the final score is calculated by positive words matched minus negative words matched. And in chunk 8 is the score sentiment using functions. And we will import the previous crowd file, which is the Nike. And we will also be reading another set of tweets called CNY. Now they will score all the tweets. And the export score to CSV files. Last but not least, in chunk 9, we'll make the comparison between two datasets.